What's up, YouTube? I am back, and my shark fin antenna has just came in the mail. About to go put it on. I will put the link in the description if anybody wants it. All right, YouTube, it's been a minute, man, but here's the shark fin antenna. Here it is right here. And here's my vehicle, still shark finless with antennaless and all that. But I'm about to go ahead and put it on now. Let's see. Let me get y'all popped up right here so y'all can see. Yes, sir. Clean view. Now, I think it's pretty much easy to really put this on. I think it comes with tape and all. They come with a little cleaning cloth and everything to put this thing on. So, cool. So, I think this is it right here. This all came in the pack. Come here, something like this. It's a cleaner, and then it's a bolt. So I guess you just bolt it on there. So you just get one that fits, I'm guessing. But hopefully it's all fit. Let's see. I definitely need this cleaner too, because my car is dirty. My car is very dirty. Cleaning off the area. It looked good though, man. I had already just put it up there to see how it looked. It already looks good, bro. It looks very solid. Nice. Get out that. Now we're gonna see which screw is gonna fit in. Let's see. Here it goes this way. That. So I'm messing with this. We got some little screws that can go in. Where did the screw just go? Did I just drop it? Oh no, they moved it. I think this one good enough. Nah, that one too loose. Don't tell me that the screws ain't gonna fit my car. Come on now. I waited all this time for this. Uh-oh. Last screw. Please work. Last screw. Work for your boy. Come on. Yeah, there it is. Yes, sir. You found one that works. Yes, sir. Alright, so I think this one goes off. There. Hold on a minute. I might have to go get the box, but they do got like a little instructions, like step-by-step guide on the back. I might go look at that just to make sure I'm putting it on properly. So I'm gonna pause y'all real quick and I'm gonna be right back. All right, so I'm back, YouTube. So they did come with some little glue residue, little strips for the 3M tape stuff that you can stick it on there. It was hidden in there. It was hidden in there. Had to open it up and it was all in there. So I found the screw that fits. Cleaned it off already. So I'm gonna go ahead and get ready to put it on there. Let me see. Like all this stuff is in Japanese or Chinese, whatever it is, but it's all good. We're gonna figure it out. But I think, oh, never mind. They do got a regular instruction manual. Here we go. They got one in English for us. Cool. Oh, and they got all the models on here, and they come with the different series that come out. They got the different models, basically. Just to cut out to match corresponding part number purchased. purchase. Template on roof. Do not remove the double-sided tape vacuum film yet. Align the shark film to the desired mounting position. Okay. All right. So got that cleaned off. Put on there. Put that trash over there. All right. Mount antenna. Factory pole antenna. Okay. Yep. I already did that. Position antenna. Place the antenna base. Plate attached template over the shark fin antenna. Okay, so they basically just got this little. You can see, right? Yeah, they basically got this just so you can align it properly and all that. But I think I'll be able to get it on without using this, so it's gonna be good. It's gonna be straight. I got it. I'm gonna get it. Actually, I'm gonna unlock my doors, go put the rest in the car. This other trash so it can get out of my way. So it won't get in the way so y'all can see. Oh yeah, and also I got another antenna that I got that didn't fit my car, so that's gonna be for sale. I'm gonna probably show it at the end of the video when I install this on there so y'all can see what I'm talking about. I'm gonna show about to get out of the way. Because I do not need it anymore. That was gonna be my actual one I was gonna be using, but you know, that didn't work out. So we got this one now. Okay, position it. Connecting the screw to attach the antenna cable to the antenna base and tightly firm. Okay. For M4 or M5 screw. Check. For M6 screw cut. Position. So I think I have the M4. I think this M4 screw. So basically I gotta just separate the screw and this bottom piece. Actually, I might not have to. Let me see. So you're gonna do it like this. The screw is back there. So I might just do it like that and put it in there like that. This in the back. Let's see. Oh no, it's probably the other way. Let's see. Let me see. I think it should fit like this, right? Yeah. I think that's the proper way how I want it to fit. Let me see. Yeah, that's it. I'm about to step on the top of the car. Open this up. Alright, let me move y'all because I know y'all sliding. My fault. Position it. Take care of pull strap antenna. Okay. So this way. So I do have it the right direction, but I might have to flip it because mine is that way. So okay, I'm gonna have to flip the screw. This is not in the front, it's in the back. Let's see. Well, I might just turn the cable itself. But I don't want to bend it though. So I'm trying to get this angle right. Let's see. Unscrew this real quick. I might have to use some tools here. I might have to go back and get some tools. I'm gonna need to squeeze it in there. Just like that. And I'll put that in there. Let's see. What if I do it like this? Yeah, that's good. That's good right there. And I screw it in. Yep, that's it. Okay. Actually, I might use a template. I might use this just to make sure it's even. Make sure it's even. I'm gonna cut it out. Let's see. Type 4, type 3. I'm gonna use my knife. So I'm oh yeah, my phone might be low on percentage too. So, but anyway, I'm gonna cut this out, even it out, so it can be all lined up before I, stick it on there. It's gonna be a little uneven, but hey, I ain't gotta be perfect with the cuts. I just need to be used as like a little graph, that's all. All right, I'm gonna cut y'all back on when I made some progress. I don't wanna shorten my battery too much. All right, YouTube, the shark fin is installed. So my phone ended up dying on me, but I got it installed and everything. So here it is. I got it directly in the sun so it can dry off and all that, and the adhesive can stick to it. But here it is. Link will be in the bio of the shark fin antenna. I'm gonna press it down some more after this video. But that's it. That's my vehicle. Shark fin antenna. But I gotta press it down some more. I gotta do it for 1 minute. I'm not trying to be in the middle of the street, but here you go. Get a good view for y'all. Yeah, that thing clean, man. I think it's clean. There you go. All right, thanks for watching, y'all. About to go ahead and hold it down for 1 minute, but I am sitting it directly in the sun. You can't get it wet for 24 hours, so no car wash or none for me, but my car was dirty anyway. All right, thanks for watching. Peace. Oh, and I almost forgot too. I am selling another shark fin antenna that I do have. It didn't fit my vehicle, but I know it can fit somebody else, Dodge Avenger or Prius, or whatever, Ford Focus, whatever you have. I'm going to add a picture of it at the end of this video, and you will be able to see how it looks. I am only charging $15 for it, so hit me up. That's $5 cheaper than retail. Retail like 20 bucks, so it's a deal. It's a deal. And even I'll add in free shipping for you too. You don't have to worry about paying shipping. You just give me the 15 and you got it. But I'm gonna go ahead and add a picture of that. I would go ahead and show you in the car, but it's hot outside. And I've been out there messing with this antenna all day. But yeah, yep, just hit me up in the comments, send me a message or something like that. But I am also gonna still leave in the description the link to where I got this, antenna from. It's a Beat Sonic, I think. But yeah, I'm gonna leave in the description for y'all. All right, thanks, peace.